Hey guys, I'm Brian from OC Tint Solutions, and today we have a brand new 2026 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS, and we're going to be doing some window tint and applying PPF on it.
The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope without you. I'm in a reckless fever, love-struck girl, I tease her. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind I'm working overtime to have you in my world. Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl. Forced to get creative, wrote my feelings down. The independent lady in me's nowhere to be found.
All right, guys, we got the finished product here. Let's kind of go check it out. Let's do a little walk around on the project. We went ahead and did the 3M crystalline 35% on the sides, windows, and the back. Obviously, the back window being done in one big piece. We did the front windshield in crystalline 60. Obviously, a little bit of a light shade just to help with a little bit of the glare. And then we did the full body in 3M PPF, which has the standard, 10-year warranty, self-healing, and all that good stuff. So, yeah, this is what it looks like.
Oh, what a curse it is to be in love. I wait by the phone like a high school movie. Dream at the shows, you'll come running.